Hello friends, welcome to MasterCAM training session. In this lecture we will discuss about FBM operation, means feature based milling operation. Our topics are feature detection, in this facing tool, roughing tool, raised mill tool and finish tool. Cut parameter, in this facing, roughing, raised mill and floor finish. Last is linking parameter. So first of all I will draw the object. So in wireframe I will create a rectangle. The dimension is 80 by 50 with center point. Okay. Again I will create the rectangle and the dimension is 28 by 28 here. Okay. Now I will select this rectangle and rotate with, here you will see 45, so I will change 90, 45. Okay. So I will just click on OK. Now in wireframe create a circle with corner point. The dimension is radius 5. Okay. Now translate this circle with 10 in x direction and -10 in y direction. You will see. Just OK. I will select this circle and directly mirror it. See. Okay. Again select these two circles and mirror it with vector this middle point to this middle point and OK. So I will change the view in isometric. You will see. This is the wireframe view. So in solid I will click on extrude, select this chain. Okay. And the dimension is 10 in bottom direction. Okay. Again click on extrude, select this circle, both circle. Okay. 10 value with cut body. Okay. Again click on extrude, select this chain. Okay. And I will change this distance 8. Okay. So in machine, first of all I will set a milling machine as a default machine and stock setup all solid. Okay. Now here I will select FBM milling operation. In setup you will see here some option, automatic initial feature detection. So I will click recognize taper feature, but we don't need to taper feature, so I just don't click this option. Tool selection, preferred tooling. See, in automatic tool selection use tool library and create as needed. Now here some tool length option are available, like create one tool for all depth, create one tool for each depth, create tools in length increment as per your selected percentage. Okay. So now I will click the feature detection and here stock to leave is 0 with particular feature. Here recognize hole greater than this diameter. So you will change here your diameter value, like I will give 5, means greater than 5 diameter is detected. The mill option is set as a pocket. You will change as per your requirement hole making. Okay. Here create your facing tool. So just right click here and create tool. Select your tool as per your requirement. You will see here number of tools are available. So facing tool. Next you will see the standard dimension is here. So cutting diameter I will set 6. Secondary diameter is 16. Overall length is 30. Cutting length is 5. Here corner type is corner and radius. Angle is 45. The radius value is 2. Length is 8 and upper diameter is also 8. Okay. So I will just click on next and finish. Here the roughing tool. Again right click, create tool. But now I will select flat and mill. Next the dimension is 3 dia. Okay. So next finish. In rest mill I will just create tool and now I will create ball and mill. Next and here the dimension is 5. Next finish and last is finish tool. So finish tool is I will set ball and mill and same as previous 5 diameter and 1.25 radius. Next and finish. Now cut parameter. So first of all facing, you will see here maximum cut depth. So I will set here 1 and 0.5 finish cut. The number of cut is 2. And here the pathwise you will see cutting method is dynamic. Maximum step over is 50%. Next is roughing. Here stock to leave on wall and floor. I will change this 0 and taper wall value is 0 because we don't need this. Okay. Now you will see here cutting method is set. Climb. You will change your direction. See. XY step over distance use as a default. Depth of cut use as a default. You will set your particular value. Entry method is helical and profile ramp, but I will select helical. Rest mill. So enable the rest mill. Here the same option are available. Taper wall is set as 0 and stock to leave on wall is 0. Floor already set as 0. Floor finish. So here I will just click. Okay. All options are set. And wall finish. So you will see taper wall 0 and stock to leave in X, Y and Z is 0, 0. Okay. So I will just click on OK. But first of all you will see hole milling option is disabled because we don't select here the hole milling operation. So I will just click on OK. You will see the operation are automatically create. And here I will select all operation. You will see all cuts are ready. And we will check these in verify selected operation. So I will click the verify selected operation. I will just play this operation. So you will see the operation is performed and here you will see the hole is also created because we will select greater than 5 diameter hole is detected and here our value is 10. That's why the circular hole is detected. Okay, so this is our object. You will see I will just close this operation. So this is your FBM, means feature based milling operation. In next lecture we will discuss about drill operation in hole making module. Thank you friends.